Wellington Unicap, this is Golf Quebec X-Ray Tango for radio check on COM 1.
5x5.
Wellington traffic, Golf Quebec X-Ray Tango is taking 32 for immediate departure, northbound 2000.
You ready? Gonna climb like a pig.
Wellington traffic, Bravo Sir Delta crossing 2709.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, good job, my bad, look at that.
Yeah, see? You were all concerned.
Of course I am.
Of course I am. Alright.
Then the fastest climb that we could get.
Golf Hotel radio.
You don't want to bring the props up, you said?
Golf Hotel, you're 5x5.
That's why.
Golf Hotel,
Oh.
thank you.
I thought you said you don't want to bring them up yet.
Oh yeah. Yeah, above obstacle.
Oh, Hamilton saying 2800, London saying 2800 overcast.
Hamilton?
Yeah. Doesn't look like it though.
They take that as overcast. You never know what I think. You mean, but
Yeah.
for sure we can't. But we can still go above them, right?
Not if it's a ceiling.
But that's not a ceiling. Oh, it is.
Well, if they're saying it's 2800 ceiling, then it would be a ceiling, right?
Okay.
Would this be a ceiling?
Ish. It's borderline.
Probably not. Probably not. Plus, we could just technically say we're flying under my license, and then we could.
Yeah, we could do that.
Not that we actually would be, but you know what I mean? So.
Yeah. Wellington, Golf Quebec X-Ray Tango is leaving the zone 2000 northbound and will switch over Toronto. Toronto Terminal, this is Fighter Warrior, Golf Quebec X-Ray Tango.
Quebec X-Ray Tango, Toronto, where are you and where are you going?
We just left Burlington, we are at 2000 and we are going to Gore Bay.
Quebec X-Ray Tango, it's going 4350, stay on the destination.
4350. Squawking 4350 and we are going to Gore Bay. That's the airport code for Gore Bay?
Charlie Yankee Zulu Echo. He's probably familiar with it, if not, whatever. Give him the code. There's a decent amount of jet traffic that goes in there.
Can hold her for a sec, I'm gonna take water. I'm dying.
Yes, ma'am. Could have moved my feet up, but...
Bravo Oscar Hotel, 2500 approved.
Up to 2500, Bravo Oscar Hotel.
Not supposed to do that, but my head is spinning right now.
That's fine.
Quebec X-Ray Tango, you're identified, 3000 is approved. What's your request altitude?
4,500. 4,500 for Golf Quebec X-Ray Tango.
You said 3000's approved,
Yeah.
right?
You took the cupcake in the fridge, right?
Put it in the fridge still. You want me to bring those too?
Yeah, they were for today.
Oh my god. Alright, let's go back. Turn around.
That was the breakfast for today, by the way.
How come you didn't eat
The
any?
tomorrow.
Was it? Oh fuck.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Well, no, it's whatever. We'll have the crew car. If we have to go get breakfast, we can go into town and get breakfast.
Well, we don't have a garbage bag in there.
No? Oh. Oh. Thinks
Quebec
already.
X-Ray Tango, contact Toronto on
Thinks already.
12827, good day. Bravo Charlie, Hotel, contact Toronto Center, 12827.
Tell him.
Huh?
That was for us?
I'm pretty sure. Toronto Terminal, this is Fighter Warrior Golf Quebec X-Ray Tango at 2,900 to 3,000.
Quebec X-Ray Tango identified, wireless altimeter 3004.
3004 for Quebec X-Ray Tango.
Toronto, it's Bonanza, Charlie Golf, Bravo, Charlie Hotel, 4,430, 21 miles north of Kitchener-Waterloo, India, landing, Kitchener. Bravo, Charlie Hotel, identified with India 3004.
I guess you know what I'm thinking, that this was just another fight.
I need to stretch, dude.
Need to stretch? Why? What's up? Back hurt?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. The old lady. I looked up and I thought this camera was an airplane.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I just fucking, like, my heart just sank.
Don't do that to me.
Well, fuck, you did it to me. You did it to me.
So many times, I have bugs on the side and I'm like,
Yeah, but that's a bug. This one I thought was, like, right in
that's
our
a
face.
massive flame, yeah.
Like... Gore Bay traffic, Piper Warrior, Golf, Quebec, X-ray Tango is about 18 miles to the southeast, 4,500, we're inbound for landing, planning on runway 29. I want them to know we're still coming, because we said,
yeah.
and there was somebody else going into Gore Bay, and I don't want them to take the crew car before we get to it. Even though we reserved it, I'm scared that he might think that we're not coming anymore. So.
Stopped in the area of South River, Two Foxtrot, Echo Tail X-ray, about 12 miles.
Is that the runway over there?
Of South River, 3,500 north bay.
Can you make me look around?
Like.
Yeah,
Probably.
I think it is.
Why is it that corner anyway?
I think, I don't know if you're pointing at the same thing I'm thinking of, or I'm looking at, but.
So it's like right on the water there.
Yeah, exactly.
On the little
but
corner,
like,
so there's a line that goes that way.
yeah, you see that line, and then the
Yeah.
one, yeah, I think you're right. I think so. Shoulder build again.
You didn't have your seatbelt?
I sometimes take it off when I'm, like, in the air. I took it off so I could get you
You
your chips.
trust me!
I took it off so I could get your food.
You
That's
trust me!
it. No, don't go too far with it.
Thank you, I guess.
Don't go too far with it. I just was confident I could put it on before we hit the ground.
2340
I should probably put my shoes on.
Frequent thunderstorms as they're within 15
You want to put your shoes on?
30 north of Petawawa.
It feels weird pushing the brakes in there for you.
Yeah.
It's like,
Hold on a second.
yeah.